Guys, welcome back to it. And we're celebrating rums. And I actually have two special guests here at the bar. Hi, Afiya.
Hi.
So we have Afiya, and Afiya is, correct me, in season living.
Well, you were close. In season life.
In season life.
But we're still living an in season life, so
All right.
you got it.
And we have our brother here, much respect, brother.
Good to see you.
Baidawi Asing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I does work as well.
Right.
Yeah.
And you are.
I do a show called on Eater Food
Right.
and around the Eater Food channel.
On Eater Food. And
Yes.
Eater Food is YouTube.
A local food site, food blog,
Nice.
channel, whatever you want to call it.
And we have some drinks in there in between sometimes.
Just do some drinks sometimes. Yeah.
All right, nice. So guys, welcome to the show. Welcome to my bar. So give me a little more on what you do in season life. What is
right,
that?
you got it. So
Yes.
in season life is actually a lifestyle blog, vlog, sharing information with people,
Right.
creating a community. I started off doing more food tourism content, and I just kind of moved over to lifestyle because that's what people were asking more of, for more.
Right.
So I decided, okay, let's try something new, and yeah, so it's more taking you places and showing you things.
So lifestyle. Let me get a little more into that. So give me some examples of what to expect
Right.
on your show. On
So travel, food, fashion, just positivity, that kind of vibe, and everything is trying to be more locally
Right.
focused because the audience, of course, is Trinidadian women, men and women, but predominantly women.
Nice.
But I have seen a lot of regional reach, so that's always been good. But yeah, it's food, travel, fashion, everything you could think of under the sun.
So how can people find you? On Instagram,
Yes.
YouTube?
So I'm on Instagram at inseason.life.
Nice.
I'm also on the Tickety Talk,
Right.
with the young
Tickety Talk.
people. The TikTok, the clock
You on
app.
TikTok too? Or no?
Nah, I saw you.
All right.
For the young people and them.
Right.
But I'm predominantly on Instagram. That's where In Season Life actually that's where we live. Yeah.
Excellent. And Baidawi, we could find you prominently
you
on.
can find me on YouTube.
Yeah.
I mean, you can find me on other places, but I want people to find me on YouTube. So they go to YouTube. Don't look for me anywhere. Go on YouTube.
All right,
Tyrone,
guys. Yeah.
I mean, we've seen each other a long time.
Of
We
course.
bouncing up each other all over the place. I always seen you making drinks and things. I don't think I ever taste your hand. No.
Nah. So actually, we celebrating rums.
Right.
Rums is Caribbean, and rums actually, is as a category of spirits.
Nah, rum same
Rum
things.
is
Rum same
actually
things.
rising
Yeah.
and has a say, right?
And I would say Mount Gay, when I travel, I always look to see what rums are out there in the world.
Right.
And Mount Gay has a serious presence. Up to when I went to Fiji, I saw Mount Gay on the shelf.
Nice. Guys, I'm gonna create a classic cocktail for you guys.
Okay.
Right? Classic meaning it's built in the prohibition days, meaning when alcohol was illegal. Could you even think of that?
No, what kind of life?
It was real, but I can't even think of experiencing that right now, right? So let's get straight into it. So I'm showcasing the Black Barrel,
Okay.
right? And this rum is a robust and bold rum, and it's called Black Barrel because one of the main reasons it's aged in American oak barrel, and then they take it out and char bourbon cast barrels, and then they put it to age in the
wow.
charred bourbon cast
you get
barrels.
kind of like
So you get that
Smoky
nice
flavor,
smoky
yeah.
taste,
Wow.
almost as you would get with another spirit called Scotch or single malt.
I see.
Right? So we
Okay.
get that in this rum.
Right.
All right.
So I'm gonna do this simple cocktail to kind of showcase the rum.
Okay.
Right? So this is actually called a daiquiri and a classic daiquiri.
Okay, yes, classic daiquiri, a favorite.
One of the favorite, right?
Now, usually, Tyrone, I is a rum and glass man. That I am.
Hey, say less or no?
All right.
I have you prepared. Hey, I feel you're going to.
Yes.
Hey, what?
I feel like there's this common misconception that women just don't drink rum straight.
I agree with you.
ladies
That's
just say-
such a
Thank you.
such
And
a
I
common
feel,
misconception, guys.
yeah, and I feel like, once in a while, a little glass,
Look at that, cold, and raise it up to the light and see that. Oh,
The mapa knows one.
definitely.
Oh, it's lovely.
All right. Nice
So
one,
I can tell you off the bat, the aromatics is you're gonna get that oakiness
Yes.
and woodiness from the barrels, and then you're gonna get the smokiness as well, right?
smells really
So you're
good.
gonna get a little fruity notes like the banana, the coconut, some caramel in between, and some molasses. Yeah, but I'm gonna leave the rest to you.
Fine, Monk.
Yeah,
You need to
man.
make some candles.
I agree. Some
Yeah,
nice
I would
candles.
definitely have a rum.
A rum
candle.
All right, so guys, behind this rum now,
Ooh.
I'm gonna add some fresh cane sugar. Yeah.
Okay.
Some bartenders use cane sugar syrup or simple syrup.
Right.
But I actually like to use the fresh sugar because it makes a whole heap of difference in the cocktail, right? So
How
use it-
so?
Well, you get the freshness of the sugar
Okay.
and it tastes different because when you make a simple syrup, you boil down the sugar
True,
with the
true,
water.
true,
So it
true.
kind of takes
Almost
away
kinda
from
break
the
it down the
True,
sugar.
yeah,
true,
correct.
true.
Right? So I'm gonna stir this a little bit too to get some dilution and let it dissolve a bit because I'm gonna shake this with some ice. So you know once I shake it with ice, it wouldn't really dissolve
Correct.
too much, right? So taking the opportunity here, so to dissolve the sugar and the rum, all right? Very simple cocktail, but you could get it wrong. You know what I mean? You could get it wrong, trust me. And behind us, guys, I have some freshly squeezed lime juice. And I'm going with 1 ounce per cocktail. How much am I making? Am I making 2? Am I making 3? I think
Well,
I
I
should.
mean,
I
yeah,
left
feel
out
like-
myself.
Come on.
Because I mean, right now we're drinking by ourselves.
Exactly, and then you not know, man.
Come on, man.
Oh, Tyrone.
No.
Next time. Don't worry.
So acid to balance the sweet.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. A little acid to
Love
balance
that.
the sweet. And honestly, guys, that is a daiquiri. Rum, sugar, and lime. Right? But you know, I'm gonna twist it a little bit, just a little tad. And I'm gonna add some spices. You have a little spice mix, right? Which goes again well with the rum, right? So this is a spice mix of grounded nutmeg, cinnamon, and clove.
Oh, that sounds
Yeah?
lovely.
So I'm just gonna add a little dash.
That
Yeah,
is
man.
nice.
So
And
here,
this is easy to
Yeah.
looks simple enough.
it's very simple. You can make this in a pitcher at home on a Sunday, you know, chilling out, listening some tunes.
Yeah,
man.
Rock backhand.
Yeah. With the
daiquiri.
girls, you know, have a little lime.
Of course.
Yeah.
Hey, and this could go so many different ways from this stage because this is perfect in terms of the balance. You have your
Right.
strong, you have your sweet, you have
Right.
your sour, and you have a little
Perfect.
spice, right? All you need is a little weak, which would be a juice, a modifier, or like a spritzer if you like mineral water, something like that,
Ooh.
which
Right.
would be perfect. And then you could go bitters. And then you could go mint, and then you could chop some further
That
more with
sounds
some
good.
fresh lemon and lime.
Building on it.
Yeah. But guys, this is the simple state. I want you
that
to
sounds
taste the
good.
rum. Yeah. So from this now, I'm gonna add some ice. This is your favorite part where I get to talk back to you guys now and give me a little more detail on the future of
in
your
season.
of in season.
So the future film season has always for me been, I really want to have my own travel show. That's been my thing. And
Travel
just
show. I like the
just
idea.
sharing about food and culture because I've been doing that for such a long time. I mean,
It's a big
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
It's really growing.
Yeah.
Right? Because both of you all you do food.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
I watch your show, a lot of recipes. You take a lot of
Thanks for
local. Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. You take a lot of local recipes and add your own twist.
Yeah.
A lot of people do that, but I
Right.
like your twists.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Right? Your
exactly.
twists are very innovative, right? And people could relate to it because it's like you're at home
Yeah,
and it
yeah.
encourages you
Yeah.
to try it. You know
Yeah,
what I
well,
mean?
that's the point. The
Yeah,
point is really
yeah.
to kind of keep it as authentic as possible
Yeah.
and relatable, you know. Because
Yeah.
at the end of the day, I want people to watch it, but what I really want people to do is try it.
Try the recipes.
Yeah,
Try the recipes.
I just
Yeah.
want to make sure it's not intimidating,
Yeah.
it's real down to earth, and people can relate it and connect and actually try stuff. So,
Hey.
yeah, that's the thing.
You guys keep that up.
yeah, that's my dog. Could you imagine a travel show like between two of us? Like,
Yeah, we actually worked on
Collaborate,
Yeah,
collaborate.
we
yeah,
actually
Yeah.
we
collaborated.
worked on that
Yeah,
already.
we worked on
We have
that.
the blueprint.
Yeah,
Who's watching?
Hey guys, get at this. Get at
You
this.
know what I'm saying?
So I'm gonna shake this now, and when we shake, we incorporate all the flavors, right?
Do you have a specific shade for specific?
Sorry,
No, he have that
Like a
is a
sweet
kind of signature shake.
I
you know,
wanted
and-
to know because it looks very,
Right.
it's
Yeah.
vibesy.
Yeah,
Right.
and I see people usually
Yeah.
think
Yeah,
that
you-
you have
I try to follow the Japanese style, to be
Oh,
honest,
say
because
less.
the Japanese they are the pinnacle when it comes to the art and the craft of mixology.
Really?
Right?
You
Yeah,
kidding?
I stay up watching videos.
I lived in
Okay.
Japan for 2 years and I didn't even know that. That's wild.
They are in all white suit.
Ah,
They use
yes.
their own clear craft ice. I mean, I can go on and on, but I really love those guys. So if you guys are really interested in mixology and the pinnacle
That's
of mixology
interesting.
in the world,
Japanese.
yeah, the
Yeah.
Japanese, then New York, Manhattan, London, you know,
Right,
those are the
right.
3 main places. But
Yeah.
they can't top the Japanese.
To
in
them,
the
it's a
art.
science.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah,
It's
to
an
them
art
it's a science.
and a science.
Yeah, so when you shake,
Yeah.
you mix the ingredients, you chill, you dilute, you aerate, because that's where you see the little bubbles coming in. Right? So there's a lot going on there. Yeah.
Interesting.
And it's not aggressive.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
aggressive.
No.
Yeah.
Some bartenders say they shake it to wake it.
Right.
You know, but you don't want to slam it to crush the ice and dilute. You want to roll it. You want to roll it, you know?
It's an artist.
Yeah, you learn something new every day.
I
Huh?
like that. Tyrone.
Yeah, Papa.
Guys, I'm encouraging you to try the recipe.
I'm getting my own bar kit. I need to do that so I can start shaking.
Shaking in Japanese style.
Yes.
Yeah.
And why not add it to your show? You know, do a little
Yeah.
segment on your show where you're doing a cocktail.
Well, I bought some decanters because I like presentation.
Right.
So I have some of my different spirits and what have you decanters, you know?
So guys, I'm just going for a simple garnish for this. Nice. So basically the garnish for this is a nice fresh slice of lemon.
Simple. Very
Cute.
chic.
Yes.
Elegant.
Elegant.
Simple but elegant.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, salute.
Ah,
Yes.
merci.
We keep on celebrating.
As the
rums.
Japanese say, kampai, kampai.
Kampai.
And that's my drink.
Nice.
Kampai,
Cheers, guys.
kampai.
Hey, watch each other in the eye.
Yes,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
you know
yeah,
if you
yeah.
don't, you know what I
We
mean?
don't want that- yeah, we don't want
Okay,
that.
we
Yeah,
don't
we
have
don't
to
want
say
that.
what that is. Okay.
Perfect.
Oh yeah.
Hey, as we say it on the show. Yeah, man.
What do you think? Yeah,
This
man.
is nice.
So we getting the rum for sure. The rum is there, it's prominent.
It's lovely.
We getting the fresh citrus, it always works.
Yeah.
Over any kind of shelf bought or store bought citrus. And the sugar is fresh as well.
Right.
You getting the spices for sure.
Yeah.
So this is my easy Sunday drinking.
And as I say, it's definitely very well balanced.
It's
Yes.
balanced. Yes, that's what you look for in a cocktail
Yeah.
actually.